Recording progress.
Hi everyone. So today we will see JavaScript loops. Okay. See, I have created one folder called loops. We will see till here we have worked on string functions, right? So now we are going to discuss with the loops. Loops in the JavaScript. Okay. So we have done with the string functions. Now we are going with the loops. Okay. I'm creating first file for loop. I will say for loop dot JS file. Okay. Now, normally, how we are going to run the for loop? Just imagine, we have an array one. So just let array one equal to one comma, two comma, three comma. Just imagine some five numbers. So this is my array. Okay, how we are going to do for loop for this array? So normally it will run based on the index side. Hmm? So let index equal to zero. See, array always starts from zero. So now one position is 0, two position is 1, three position is 2, four position is 3, five position is 4. But the length of the array is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it will start from 0 to 4. So what is the starting limit? Starting now it's a zeroth index. So top one is the fourth index. See, the length will be 5, but we can count it as 0 to 4. Okay, that is what we need to remember. For index 0, index, this index, see what I am telling. So there should be some base, right? For that index, no, now 0, no, 0 is always less than array 1 dot length. What is array 1 dot length? 5. So this array dot length is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it will start from 0, 0. See, now I'm telling this 0 is less than array length 5. Then we are telling them run the loop. And here it will be index plus plus means index plus 1. It is incrementing. Here we will write the body of the loop. What you are going to write, we need to print the values, right? Console dot log. What you are going to print? So array one. So this array one, first array of just print with index. So this is how you are going to print it. Okay. Copy the report. Just use the node. See, 1, 2, 3, 5 got printed, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It got printed. So this is how you are going to write the for loop. Okay. So we can write one more for loop. Okay. Suppose now I'm not taking any precondition like pre-declared variable. What we can do, right? Suppose for let I equal to 0, 0th index. I'm telling less than or equal to 5. I'm telling 5. It should be 5 times. So when it is 5, no, 5 should be less than or equal to 5. Now, or I'll say less than 5. I plus plus incrementing. Okay. So just a console.log of needs one step. Go to this. Just see how it is going to print. So 5 times the same value we are printing. Right? Go to office, go to office, go to office. So this is how we are going to write the for loop.